Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Arshi here. Right now today I'm in Boshirat, subdivisional town situated in North 24 Pargana. It is almost near to Bangladesh border. So can you see this bridge? This is the Boshirat bridge. From here, can you see this road? From there, not in much distance, there is a Gojadanga border, which is the international border. This is the Boshirat town. The whole town can be seen from here. I know it is not whole town, but most of the parts are visible from here. This town is located bank of Ichamuti river. Lots of bricks factories are around this town. You can see the chimneys of the brick factories. This place is especially famous for brick factory. So guys, this is the place. From here in one location, this location you can reach to Badattala hospital, and from here you can reach the town. Right now I'm walking in front of the Boshirat jail. This is known as the Boshirat jail khana. You can see the wall of this jail. Today I'm here in the head post office because of my some work. So the thing is that the gate of this post office yet not open because I am too fast. My reporting time was 9:45, but it is 8:45. So what can I do? Let's do some other work. Let's have a walk through the town. I don't know how much I will be able to give you a glimpse of this town, but I'll be trying my best to give you some better glimpse of this town. Let's have a look. Okay, all right. Now it is 15 July and there is a statewide lockdown in West Bengal. So that is why you might be seeing the roads are empty. Most of the shops are closed. Hey, hi. So unfortunately he is not interested in me. By the way, can you see this? Wow, it is making too much noise, but very popular transport in Boshirat. I already started sweating because I already told you the weather is too humid and hot. Don't know how much I will be able to cover today. Let's see. Here we have a traffic jam in the road. You can see here in Boshirat too, you can experience the traffic jam if you ever come here. Wow. So guys, I'm returning back to the head post office now again. I hope I'm able to give you a good view of the streets in Boshirat in just few minutes. I know I will go in many places which are very famous places and good to see, but I think this is good. Obviously the weather is right now pleasant weather. In the morning I was feeling too much sweating, but right now after some rain it feels amazing. By the way, it's sunny weather and I am still waiting for my bus, as the bus is not yet in the bus stand, so I am just thinking of spending some time here. This is a very peaceful place. If you ever come to Boshirat, and you must have to visit this place, this park. It is located near to the SP Banglo, opposite to and the Boshirat bridge. And this Boshirat bridge is also, it connects Sangrampur and Boshirat as well. So talking about the history of this town, the name Boshirat, it came from the Boshir Miya. He used to came in the marketplace in Boshirat, and there was a time when the market was scheduled in every weekend in this town. From there the name came as the town name. So I hope you guys are enjoying the view, and this is Ichamoti and the surrounding area. Finally the bus arrived, so it's time for me to leave this wonderful park. I hope you will obviously visit this park, because here this view, yeah, it's amazing and wonderful view. This is very rare in this area, so I don't know how we will feel this, but I felt very good.
We dance.